Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to create an intro for YouTube. So if you have been subscribed to my channel, you know that my videos, like if you watched my previous videos, I do not have an intro yet, but like these couple of days I've been experimenting on how to make an intro so I can have an intro for you guys. Like, I don't know, I just wanted an intro and I figured out how to make a really cool intro, so I will show you, and at the end of the video I'll show you the intro I created for my brother and his friend's channel, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna go to Google. I can't type today, anyway, so please ignore that, and I'm going to look up free intro maker. By the way, my dad is mowing the lawn in the background, so if you hear something, it's my dad, so ignore that. So I have experimented with this one right here. I'll show you at the end of the video, but I want to try something different because like I did the smoke trails and the smoke, but I want to do something different that I haven't tried yet. So, ooh, that's really cute. I love this. Okay, so let's try this. I am already logged in here. So this website is one of the easiest one I've tried so far, and I tried other ones, but this one is just really easy. So I'm gonna go to browse and I'm gonna pick out a picture. I already know what it is, the diamond of my channel, you know. Diamond, nope, it didn't show up. Okay, I don't remember what I saved it as, but I just saved it as something. Channel art, there we go. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna confirm the image. And for text, I'm just gonna do the name of my channel. Get delete all the text before. And how to everything. Oh, see, I can't type today, but it's fine. So there we go. How to everything. Next, I'm gonna go to color. Is this a picture? That is a picture. Look, I'm gonna go to color, and you can pick the color of your trails, which is so cool. And you can pick the you can't pick the color of your trails. I think you can pick the background. There we go. The background's cute. Like, it's cute when it's white. So I'm just gonna stick with white. You can pick the music. I am going to pick, like, I want something. Ooh, but I really like that. And I'm gonna go back to that. Or this. I like that better. So look at that. I like that. It's nice. And I'm gonna go to preview, and I am going to go on free preview because this is something I'm gonna do for free. I am not gonna pay to make an intro because that's just not something I would do. And yeah, this is, I don't know. I feel like I'm broke, so I can't afford it. But I'm just gonna do the free version. And my voice, I just lost it. Okay, I'm back. Wait, what happened? Okay, I'm back. I'm actually back. And while we're waiting for this, it actually sends you an email when you're done. But while we're waiting, let's play some Tetris, which is one of the dumbest games I've ever played, but I actually enjoy playing it. Or actually, I've saved it in my bookmarks. I like this one better. I can play it in school because this is like the only game that actually works. I know, it's so dumb. I hate this game, but this is kind of like the only thing that I got to play. I'm just gonna keep going back to see. Okay, let's try the hardest level. Oh shit. Oh wait, I'm not ready yet. Wait, I'm not ready yet. I guess I'm ready. And actually, I'm not like amazing. See, you can tell I suck at this game. I'm just gonna try level 7. Let's see how that goes. Guys, don't play these dumb games. Like, I'm playing them because I don't have anything else to do or anything better to do. These are just so dumb. You should pay attention in school. Oh, see, I suck at this, but you know what? And that's an excuse to go back. And it's almost done. It's gonna email me soon. There we go. Let's watch our cool intro. Oh, see, I actually got the email. Cool, cool, cool. Let's watch it. Oh, the sound. Wait. Shit, the Tetris sound is still there. Okay, let's start over. Okay, we can't start over. That is so cool. I think that's one of the nicest ones I've made because I've tried making them. And this one is nice. I think this one's really nice to download. You can just save it in your drive or downloads, whatever. You can just download it and it will be in your downloaded thing. And let's get this out of the queue. Oh, I don't know why this is here. And now it's time to show you what I made for my brother's channel. So, okay, right here. I think this is the one, but I'm not sure. Yep, that's the one. So are you ready, you guys? You better be. So, my brother and his friend don't have any content on their channel yet, but when they do, I will tell you guys. And that, by the way, is the watermark that I covered, and I used Instagram to cover it up. And I used some like video editing apps, like cropping apps, to do that as well. So I will make a separate video for that. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and if it wasn't, I'm sorry, but if it was, great. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.